now this thing of mut'ah, this temporary marriage that some of the rawafid they do.
Yeah.
Is this something? I mean, I want to educate the audience.
Yeah.
Is this something? Is this permissible?
Absolutely not.
What's the difference between that and prostitution?
There isn't.
Yeah.
Because understand, mut'ah is not a marriage.
Yeah.
It's just a contract and a temporary pleasure. Mut'ah means fun. You're just trying to have some fun.
There was a very famous fatwa that was published by one of these where someone, I think from Europe, I actually think it was from the UK. This fatwa online. I looked it up myself because I couldn't believe. In fact, I've gone back multiple times to just be like, wait, was this actually? And every time I'm like, no, this was legit. This is one of their official fatwa by one of the main guys. A man messages in and say, hey, listen, I'm, in a non-Muslim country. And I fear for myself, zina. And the mut'ah thing, doesn't really work here. Can I get a prostitute?
Damn.
Oh,
Literally,
I don't know.
very famous photo. You guys haven't seen it?
No.
Famous.
Crazy.
So can I get a prostitute and just pay her?
Instead.
And the fatwa response, the response is, so long as the terms of the arrangement are guised as a nikah contract. So you tell her, yeah, as a mut'ah nikah contract, right? So the payment is down.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
And you establish the time and the terms. So this time, we end this time. So basically, prostitution.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
It's the exact same thing. You know what I'm saying? So
100%.